Welcome to our night ball of the Mini Friends Fingerprints Challenge. Let's see what we got. Let's pop it up. There we go. There's the magnet. Nice, we have a new magnet. Okay, for our package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice one. For our first, we have a new one. The Hershey Strawberry Syrup. Wow. Second, we have a duplicate, the fish. For our third, oh wow, we have the ice cream. Great. For our fourth, we have another duplicate, the turmeric shot. And the fifth, another duplicate, the fruit tray. For our sixth now, oh my god, we have the mini version of the ice cream. Look at that! Nice! And for our last, we have the Panda Express Chow Fan. Nice! So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time again. Don't forget to follow.